Hello everyone. Today we are going to introduction AI for everyone. This is our curriculum course. So this is I built from Bengali people. So I thought why not we build this for our international student. So this is for non-technical people who are know anything about AI. Someone who's new, like people who are not technical. This is curriculum for building AI for everyone. So I can do this every day, step by step, every curriculum and study with you. But I feel that you are the most busiest person in this earth. So and also I don't feel this I'm killing your time is not be good thing. So but it's not mean this curriculum is bad. I just feel this every day I build a video that's gonna be take you a lot of time and it's gonna be effective your time, so you come and watch in video. So that's the reason I say why not I just build a curriculum and give you everything is free, so you can learn everything step by step by your feelings. But if you think this I will be cover everything, so why not I can build. So but first of all, meet new assistant. So what is AI is not. So this is our curriculum, the story of AI, how AI think, every day around AI and benefit of AI, limitation and responsibility, and the prompt engineering and foundation. This is how you talk with AI. Ask better question. AI for study, AI for writing, AI for work, AI for communication, AI for research and production, ChatGPT deep dive, and cloud deep dive and Gemini deep dive. Okay, this is everyone, this is our curriculum, and you can see AI ethics and AI safety and future of the. Okay, so every day you come, this is the day one, you just come here. Day one is the lesson, so you just come here and you read everything, and this is the day two, so you come here and see everything is the day two lesson. So this everything step by step you can understand the day three, day four, and you see this as a asking better question. This is the day seven, so you just come here and you see the master the key principle of asking better question and apply it. So education section you can do that, and core principle, and after that you have to the question. So you just what is this, what is the main objective of the AI, asking better question. So this is the apply the practically. So this one, so you just go and check your answer. So that's a thing. So AI for study. So if you're a student, and I think everyone is student now, because everyone need to learn AI. Someone who already job in, they must be know how they use AI and efficiently their day-to-day life. So that's it, everything. Contents, creativity and quality output. So AI for writing. Yeah, that's it. AI for work. So this is for important AI for works. Everyone must be know about this, how you are, if you are working on the AI, you must be know about this, how this section AI actually work, and how can you work your life be better. So there is a lot of full curriculum is take around 30 days. This curriculum is made by 30 days. I just want you just spend just 10 minutes every day. I can make the video every day is 10 minutes, but I feel I just give this opportunity for you. Everything is open source, so you can learn anything easily. So AI education safety and tip and beginning. So today you master the, okay, this is 30 day you completed. So here the week summary. So here everything week summary, AI glossary. So artificial intelligence I also take as a Bengali because I'm from Bangladesh, so I see the people who Bengali they need to this, so that's the reason I add also Bangla. Okay, artificial intelligence, generative AI, LLM, and prompt engineer, hallucination, token, and context window. We know about the context window, that's main one. Check multimodal AI, so chatbot. So here the quiz this is answer your end of the quiz, and after that you get this beautiful certificate. After that you just after that you complete it, you just email me and I give you this beautiful certificate. I hope you like this. And this website also in Bengali, so this website will be updated maybe every month, not be possible, but I try to update it. So that's the reason you can check it, and I'm trying to update it. If you want English and if you want the Bangla, both way the certificate available. So thank you. I hope you like that.